Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and sadly that I got many different colors of lines on my LED. If I count, it is around like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 11 lines is on my LED. That's a sad story, and that's another story. I will upload another video regarding this. So today video is about request came that how to flash the Vulcan ROM version 2, and also there is an update release which can be updated via OTA. So make a video from the scratch to show how to flash the Vulcan ROM version 2 and also show us how to take the OTA update. So today I will show how to do all that things. If you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click or tap the bell icon. Click or tap the select all. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Starting the video. First of all, we need to save all the internal storage data because this custom ROM flashing or any custom ROM flashing or any stock firmware flashing will erase everything. Check the mobile phone battery must be charged around like 30, 40, 50%, right? Then go to settings and lock screen. Select the screen lock, swipe to turn it off. Then go to accounts and backup, manage accounts, sync your Google account, then must remove it to avoid any issues later on, and must remove the Samsung account otherwise the flashing will not get happens. So remove the Samsung account before flashing the custom recovery or anything else. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that I have right now is 4G mobile phone Exynos chipset. Let me inform you that this ROM is only for the Exynos chipset. This ROM is not for the Snapdragon. Current my mobile phone model name is N985/BS, which having Exynos chipset, and I will tap the software information. So the mobile phone must be updated to the latest OneUI version Android 13. In case if the mobile phone is on the lower version, then must update it to the latest. Otherwise, the ROM will not get boot. It may get flash, but it will not get boot. So must update the mobile phone. In case if you have updated to the latest stock firmware, and if you are using any other custom ROM, you can still get this Vulcan version 2 ROM on the mobile phone. So tap the build number for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer mode has been turned on. I will go back to settings, connect internet on the mobile phone, and then go back. Then tap the software update and tap download and install. Doesn't matter because my mobile phone was on the custom ROM, that is why it is showing registration failed. You just tap download and install. Let the mobile phone check the update once. Okay, I got it. I will go back. Then I will go to developer options. The thing that I check the updates to bring the OEM unlocking back because I just flashed the stock firmware, latest firmware on the mobile phone, and after flashing or after doing the factory data reset, the OEM unlocking will be hidden. It will not prominent in the developer options. So we need to do this. Connect the Wi-Fi or in or mobile data and go to tap the download and install to check the updates. Then the OEM unlocking will come back in developer option. Must turn it on, enable it, and go back, and now you can simply power off the mobile phone. So here are the files that I have downloaded already on my computer hard drive. You need to install the Samsung USB driver if you are not having it on your Windows. Otherwise, the mobile phone will not get detected by the Windows. These are the driver for the Samsung USB Android phones, right? And then download the Odin pack according to the model number of your mobile phone. We need to download Odin also, and this is the Vulcan ROM V2. Let me show the links that provided in my video description. This ROM is supporting these models: 986B, N986B, N985F, N981B, N980F. Come down here, the links will be provided like this. This is the ROM file link. This is the Odin pack for the N981B. This is the Odin pack for the 980F. And for the 986p and for the 985f, you need to download the Odin pack according to the model number. Do not try to any other Odin pack on the other model, otherwise the flashing will not get happens, right? Also download the kernel su. We have to root the mobile phone to get the OTA update, right? Then first of all extract the Odin in same folder. Then double click to open the extracted folder of the Odin. Double click the file. Click OK on this pop-up window. Then on the Odin screen, click any slot. I will go for the AP. Then I will go to my downloaded folder where I have downloaded the files. Now this time I will select the ROM file Vulcan V2.tar. This is in TAR format, so it should be, or it is supposed to be flashed with the help of Odin. Click on it, then click open to boot the ROM file in Odin. Then I will click the CP slot. Then I will go back, and this time I will select the Odin pack according to the model. This is the code name of my Note 20 Ultra 4G mobile phone. I can double click to select this file. So Odin is ready now to flash the files. We are coming back towards the mobile phone. So the mobile phone must be power off. We need to boot the phone into Odin mode. Check the other side of the cable must be connected with the computer. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds, you will see warning screen, release both keys. Now we have to unlock the bootloader. So press and hold the volume up key for a little long time. So the other screen will appear and release the volume up key. On this screen, you can see unlock bootloader. Press the volume up key once to unlock the bootloader. But I want to inform you that as soon I press the volume up key once, the mobile phone will take a little time to for unlocking the bootloader. Then it will get automatically restart. And immediately before coming the Samsung logo, I will press and hold the volume up key, volume down key again to boot the phone into warning screen. I will not let my mobile phone to start booting to the stock firmware, right? Press the volume up key once, and now press and hold the volume up key, volume down key. Warning screen appears once again. Release both keys and press the volume up key only once to boot the phone into Odin mode. Now the Odin mode screen is supposed to be like this. Currently I have Samsung official firmware, so current binary is Samsung official. KG state must be checking it. Now not supposed to be pre-normal. The thing that I done before, like checking the connecting Wi-Fi and checking the updates. To do this thing, kg state checking, right? FRP lock must be off. OEM lock must be off, and in a brackets you will see U, which means that the phone bootloader is already unlocked. I will press the volume up key to light up the screen. Odin is already detected the mobile phone. This means that Odin added the phone. Simply click start. The ROM flashing will get start. Now we have to wait here. Now here I want to add something, that my Note 20 Ultra was having stock firmware. So maybe when the flashing with the help of Odin gets done, the mobile is supposed to restart and start booting to TWRP and will start flashing the ROM straight away. But well, I think this is because my mobile was on Samsung firmware. It may restart into TWRB. It may start flashing the ROM straight away, or maybe it will restart automatically. It will boot into TWRP, but it will not start flashing the Vulcan ROM straight away. It will do the script thing, and then it will restart and it will stuck on the Samsung logo. If this happens, we need to flash the Vulcan ROM version 2 again, like repeating the procedure with the help of Odin. Then it will be done. So let's hope that it will not happen. But if it happens, then what we have to do, I will show later on. The flashing is about to be done. The mobile phone will auto restart. Done. Odin shows pass message. Mobile phone rebooted with the warning screen appearing because the bootloader is unlocked. And how to get rid of this warning screen, I will tell you later. And the mobile phone is supposed to boot into TWRP to start flashing the no. This is what I was talking about. The thing that you have just seen is supposed to be done after flashing the ROM from the TWRP. They actually mobile phone was on the stock firmware. That is why this thing is happening. Now I will repeat the flashing procedure. On the audience screen, I will click reset. Then I will click once again the AP slot or any slot. I will click AP. I will go back to my downloaded folder. I will select the Vulcan ROM version 2.tar by double clicking on it. Then I will click CP and I will select the Odin pack file according to my model. I will double click to select the file. Now the Odin is ready once again. Then mobile phone will definitely not boot because the ROM didn't flash well. So the mobile phone screen, the mobile phone is supposed to be boot once again into Odin mode. Press and hold. Check the cable must be connected. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key. Then press the just press it, hold, wait for it. When the mobile phone restart, then release the power key, wait, and now you can release both keys. Then press the volume up key once again. Now the phone is booted into Odin mode. Now the current binary is custom. Before it was Samsung official. Gauge state is also still checking, and the rest all thing is same. Now on the Odin, the phone already added. Now just click start to reflash the Vulcan ROM once again on the mobile phone. So the flashing is about to be done once again. I just want to show the things clearly from the scratch for everyone to do the procedure neat and clean. Now the mobile phone restart and definitely it will boot into TWRP and it will start flushing the Vulkan ROM straight away. I am done from the Odin. I will click reset and I will click exit and I will go to back to my downloaded folder, and now you can see that the volcano ROM flashing started. This what was supposed to be done before when I tried the flashing the ROM with the help of Odin first time, but that may be the reason of the stock firmware. But I want to show the things from the scratch for those, like for the beginners, to know the things clearly. Now I will wait here, let this ROM flashing done, then I will continue. During this flashing, you need to keep your eyes on the mobile phone screen. It will ask for the format data, so we have to press the volume up key and we need to format the data so the ROM will get flashed neat and clean. Just wait for that message. Do not let the mobile screen to be off. Here is a message came. Press volume up to format your device. Yes, we need to do that. Press volume up key. Okay, done. And the mobile phone will boot once again into TWRP to do the scripting thing, and then it will restart once again. The mobile phone will hold itself for a few minutes on this logo screen, and then soon it will start booting to the Vulkan ROM version 2. We have to wait. The first boot will take a little time. Okay, first boot completed, and complete the setup screen. Just notice that I didn't disconnect the cable from the mobile phone. Okay, flashing done. I got the Vulkan ROM OneUI 6.1 on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I will do some modifications in settings of the display. So the cable is connected and it is connected with the computer. That is why allow access to phone data. I will tap allow. Now we'll go to settings, about phone. Now you can see that same Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 4G phone, but the model name got changed because this ROM ported from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now we'll tap the software information. Now you can see that OneUI 6.1 invite 14. Before it was OneUI 5.1 invite 13. Now mobile phone got updated, right? And build number is Vulkan ROM V2. It is time to root the mobile phone. So the data cable is already connected with my mobile phone and I have allowed the access to my computer. The internal storage already appears on my computer screen. We'll go to my downloaded folder, and this time I will copy the kernel SU file from my downloaded folder. And then I will copy the kernel SU file to my internal storage of my mobile phone. Okay, done. Now finally I am done from the computer. I can disconnect the cable from the mobile phone, and now on the mobile phone screen, go to menu, then go to Samsung folder, open the My Files application, tap Internal Storage, Essentials, all scroll down, select the kernel SU file, then gives a permission by going to Settings, allow permission, then tap Install. Then tap Done, go back, go to menu. You can see the kernel SU file over here. Tap to open it. You need to check working, which means that the kernel SU perfectly installed. Yes. Now on the second menu, this one, tap on it, then tap the three dots, tap Show System Apps, and search VUL Vulcan updates, right? And tap on it, and then allow the permission by tapping the super user. You need to do this, then go back. And now connect internet on your mobile phone. One more thing I forgot, go to settings and go to display, and for the time being change the screen time out to maximum. Do not let the screen off. So I will select 10 minutes. So the mobile screen will remain on, so I can see the things going on the mobile phone. I will go to settings, then scroll down and tap the Vulcan updates, device info, TWRP, modules, apps, etc. etc. Tap it, and already I have given the super user permission in the kernel SU. That is why you can see this thing, right? So the Vulcan updates application need to be updated. So tap update. You can see it is getting updates. The things or the update is downloading. Just wait for it. And when the updating done, then you will see all the rest things. Okay, already done. We'll tap the Vulcan's updates once again. And this time you can see Vulcan updates customizable, automated, free, and etc. etc. Tap continue, and allow Vulcan updates to send you notification. I will tap allow. Now you can see that I can see the update of the Vulcan ROM. I have currently version 2, but the update on from the OTA is released for of the version 2.1 to 1.0.21. Now let me show that what latest features we are getting with the 2.1 version. You can see that Vulcan ROM version 2.1 release. What's new? Let me see. Strong integrity, ringtone picker fixed, Google Assistant's voice command fixed, Snapchat camera fixed, more detailed battery information, DressRoom ambient mode added, sketch to image in gallery and notes, portrait effects, updates now are available. Check the OTA app to download the latest version. I will tap here. So the Vulkan ROM updating procedure, downloading procedure will start. Now we have to wait here. So the downloading is about to be finished. And one more thing, I will advise to do the flashing or downloading files one by one. Do not download all the files at same time. Like I have downloaded the updates, I will flash it first, and if I want like bootloader warning remover, then I will do that. While the Vulkan ROM 2.1 finish getting download, then I will now tap reboot now. I will do the things one by one to avoid any issues. Now it is time to remove this warning screen. Let mobile phone boot, then I will do the procedure. Still the script of flushing going on. Wait for it. right? So before going ahead, check the internet must be connected. We'll go to settings, then we'll scroll down, we'll go once again to Vulcan updates, and this time I will download the bootloader warning remover by tapping on it, and then tap reboot now. We can see the warning screen, but after the file, when it get flashed, then this thing will not come again. And you can see now Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, no warning screen, not anymore. And once again, first check the internet. Okay, then we'll go to settings once again, then we'll go to Vulcan updates, and this one done. Now other things are like modifications. For example, if you want colorful boot animation, you can go for this. If you want S8 boot animation, you can go for this. Stock boot animation, bootloader warning remover already done. Okay, I will do the colorful boot animation. This one, I will tap on it. Definitely after downloading, it will ask for the reboot now. We have to reboot the system. So this is what I got right now. But after flashing that, I just download the file. This thing will get changed. Now you can see that secured by Vulcan, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. My mobile phone is 4G, but now it's converted to 5G. No, basically only the logo is converted. Now I can see the colorful thing over here also. So these are the modifications that you can do after downloading the updates and after rooting the Vulcan ROM V2. Now the ROM is version 2.1. Let the ROM boots, then I will show. Internet is supposed to be connected. Okay, we'll go to settings. Let me show a few things over here. We'll go to about phone, then we'll go to software information, and you can see that before the build number was Vulcan ROM version 2.2. It was 2. Now I got 2.1.0.1. If you want more, then you can go to Vulcan updates and you can try the rest file. And in case if you want any modules over here, there are few modules provided here. You can go for that also. And if I go to apps, then I can see the apps over here also. You can try if you know about these files and these apps modules. If you know about the things, then you can try it, right? So the Vulcan ROM updating procedure done. First I flash the Vulcan ROM V2, then I update the Vulcan ROM from V2 to 2.1, and the latest stuff coming with the 2.1 already got with the ROM. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like the video. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.